Hi Nora.
Hi.
Hello.
वो look at this frame. मतलब इस frame को basically मिनी celebration करना पड़ेगा because सचित परंपरा आपकी शादी बहुत मतलब recent में हुई है. So congratulations.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
And Nora Fatehi का birthday was there like 6th of February. बहुत ही recent. So happy birthday belated to you.
Thank you so much.
How are you
Hello,
guys? कैसे
Nora.
हो?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you both? How are you all? How are you all? What's happening? कैसे चल रहा है?
Well, first of all, I just want to say I'm wearing a t-shirt and it says "Boom, bitch."
Just like that.
Our song is a hit, so I'm celebrating. Boom.
That is awesome. We are loving the song. And
She's always
introduction
on
में
roll.
Nora is super fun to chat with because I've spoken to her before, and she's mad. She is completely mad to talk to. And Sajid Parampara, this
She's
is the first
full
time I'm
of
talking to
joke.
you.
She's full of energy. Everything.
Yes,
Yeah.
but
So,
गाने में पूरा different अवतार है लेकिन नोरा का,
Yeah.
which is quite interesting. बहुत बात करेंगे गाने के बारे में, बहुत सारे बातें करने वाले, लेकिन उससे पहले this is MTV Beats दिल दे के देखो because it's Valentine's week. मैंने रेड पहना है, हम प्यार के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, and दो लोग जो बहुत
Red is
ज्यादा
there
प्यार
too.
oh, there we go. Valentine's Day, then I mean, we should just start celebrating right now. तो प्यार के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. We're talking about how we should give love a chance. आप दोनों बताइए कि आपकी शादी रिसेंटली हुई है. आपकी लव स्टोरी जो है ज्यादा लोग नहीं जानते, तो अगर आपको छोटी मतलब बहुत ही सुनहरे शब्दों में आपको अपनी लव स्टोरी के बारे में कुछ बताना है तो क्या बोलेंगे आप?
अनजाने में हुई ये लव स्टोरी हमारा जो
दोस्ती प्यार फ्रेंडशिप
दोस्ती वाला. अच्छा, दोस्त से प्यार प्यार हो गया. अच्छा, एक बात बताइए कि आपकी शादी रिसेंटली हुई है एंड हमने सारे आपके फोटोज देखे, आपके थोड़े वीडियोस भी हमने देखे शादी के. शादी के बाद कुछ चेंज हुआ है एक दूसरे में?
नहीं क्या चेंज हुआ यू टेल
ऐसा कोई चेंज नहीं है.
ऐसा
देयर
कुछ
इज नो चेंज वी आर नाउ एक्चुअली मोर बिजी विद सॉन्ग्स एंड ऑल ओनली म्यूजिक पहले भी था
Yes.
म्यूजिक भी है
ये था कि शादी के दौरान बस थोड़ा सा टाइम हम लोग का पर्सनल लाइफ पे कुछ ज्यादा हो गया था. अब वो वापस से
या
काम पर आ गया. सो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ.
कैन यू इमेजिन ऑन द मंडप आल्सो ही वाज लाइक अरे हाँ वो दे दो हाँ हाँ रुक जाओ अरे रुक जाओ यू नो ऑन द मंडप लाइक अरे रुको रुको अरे पंडित जी रुकिए रुकिए सो वी ऑलवेज इनटू वर्क ओनली दैट वाज
बिकॉज
हैपनिंग
नो वन नोज ना कि अभी हम लोग गए हैं वहां पर तो हमारा काम अच्छे से चल रहा था. सो आई वाज देयर ऑन
ओहो,
फोन.
या
मतलब म्यूजिकल शादी और म्यूजिकल बातें वाली शादी हो गई आपकी. कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू.
या
Nora, you tell me what do you, when it comes to love stories, आपको कैसे love stories पसंद है? Do you like the old school love stories or do you like the new age rom-com type movies, stories?
What is the new age love story exactly?
I don't know,
नाइस.
social media, online dating, or like the old school dating is more like like the typical coffee dates or going out for a long drive.
I despise our generation way of doing things. I
Mm-hmm.
feel में वापस जाना है उधर जाना है उस जनरेशन में जहाँ प्यार असली था, जहाँ things were more they were more sentimental. I think we've lost
Right.
that sentimental touch, unfortunately. I would love
जहाँ
it.
लैंडलाइन था where there were no social media with landline
नहीं था.
yeah.
Very nice. Now let's talk about आपका brand new गाना छोड़ देंगे, जो मतलब it played exclusively on MTV Beats and it's killing it. Everybody is loving the song. And Sajid Parampara, I really want to ask you both. बहुत दिनों के बाद, I don't know कितने सालों के बाद actually एक female perspective of heartbreak वाला गाना है ये. And ये गाना actually बहुत ही different है. And Parampara, I love the way you're sounding in the song. It's so
Thank you.
the texture of your voice is just so beautiful. तो बताइए कि गाना कैसे बना, मतलब what was the idea behind this song and how did you guys go about it?
ये लॉकडाउन में ही बना है सॉन्ग. एंड there's a new guy called Yogesh. So he wrote the lyrics and उन्होंने हमें मेल पर भेजा था. And we really liked the concept and the thought. So उसके बाद उन्होंने rework किया, काफी कुछ हुआ and we sent it to Bhushan sir. So and I think उसके
Right.
बाद ही we really loved the feel and aura of the song and the attack जो चल रहा था. And I think उसके बाद
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी थी because once we saw the lyrics we tried
Right.
understand और वो within 1 hour it was like खट 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 we sang it we recorded it in like one go and वो गाना
Really?
इतनी immediately पूरा बन गया that even we felt like, oh, what was this? And then we
Right.
sent it. उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे पता लगा that, oh, this is the song. Because, as musicians, we never think that we have made a good song or it's a great song.
Correct.
That's not true. तो जब
Right.
गाना बन जाता है, निकलता है, that's when we get to know whether it's being liked by people or not. Otherwise, there's no pre-hope that this will work,
Right.
this will not. So, yeah, that was honest.
Correct. I think the song is a complete winner in every sense.
And I
of the
think
word.
best thing happened to the song was the lady.
The NF, the rock star Nora Fateh.
Yes,
She
Nora.
killed it.
Nora, you.
I need to ask them something. I'm just gonna take your job away for 2 seconds.
Sure.
So you didn't know, like, initially that this is magic?
No,
Like,
we did not know. After we made the whole song, we stopped listening to it like for 15 days or something. We were on some other track. We started
So
working
whenever
on
we
that track.
compose one song या कुछ भी ऐसा होता है, so we leave that song and उसके बाद छोड़ के उसके बाद कुछ दिन बाद we come back to that song कि अच्छा अब क्या है, because तुरंत ना we get exhausted क्योंकि वो बनाया होता है, हमें पता नहीं अपनी तो चीज सब अच्छी लगती है, so but अब वही चीज हम दोबारा एक as a listener भी सुनने की कोशिश करते हैं. When we feel कि
And after 15 years, like we were listening to the song in the car, the song got over. I'm like, boom, what was that?
But talking about the song and ये गाना कैसे बना, I want to talk to Parampara. Parampara, tell me something. आपका जो range है, it's so different in this song. The texture is different. आपके दूसरे गानों से काफी अलग है. So when you modulate your voice, जब आप मतलब आपकी आवाज थोड़ा सा change करके you get into that character of it, what was that idea like? कैसे हुआ ये जो मतलब
Basically, we both take lyrics very seriously. The thought, emotion. जो thoughts, जो lyrics कहते गए, you just started, developing the tune on the lyrics. Sometimes you compose the melody first. Sometimes we.
Correct.
Time it was on the lyrics. So first lyrics came and then we composed the melody.
And we wanted it to give like a little Sufism kind of feel on the song. There could be any tune to this lyrics.
Right.
But for that, there could be some Sufi.
It has some Nusrat Saab like feeling आता है ना. So we thought of ऐसा एक vibe है जो.
So वो जिस तरह से खोल के गाते थे अपना पूरा मतलब इधर से, not too much. Yeah, the chest voice, not too many technicalities, whether this note should be like this or like that. We were just going with the flow and the tune. There was something here. We don't know what it was. Honestly, it was some magic. We don't know.
It's absolute magic. And Nora, I really want to ask you, ek to matlab, every time we think Nora Fatehi, the first thing that comes to our mind is all the rocking songs that you've given, whether it's Dilbar, Saki Saki, Ek to Kam Zindagani, Garmi, matlab, Nora is like, I think, easily the best dancer that we've seen in the longest time. Cut to, then we are also getting to see a little bit of Nora where she's doing extremely, different kind of songs, whether it's Pachtaoge and now with Chhod Denge. So Nora, when you first heard this song, aapka reaction kya tha? And how did you approach this song in terms of, presenting it on screen?
So the first time I heard this song, I was driving during lockdown. I was just going to the grocery store to get my essentials. And I would say literally the first 10 seconds, just the first 4 lines of the song hit me really hard. And I became very emotional and I cried listening to the song. Like it was that impactful for me. That's why I asked them. It's crazy that they didn't know what kind of a song it would be in the first few seconds, because I can tell when a song is good. That's probably why you think that I have such big numbers, because when I hear them, I know in the first 5-10 seconds this is going to be a super hit. I have that ability. So when I heard this song, the first 5 seconds, I'm like, oh, this is a super hit. This is a massive 100%, because it has a magic about it, which is very mystique, which is very, it's just like there's no word to describe it. And I knew for a fact that people will connect to this song immediately across the world. This song has no boundaries. And I think I thought about it for a long time about how I need to approach the song as a performer, because I need to approach this differently. Now, with every song, there's a specific style, a persona, an attitude, the way you present yourself, and a certain dance style that suits the song in particular. So
Right.
every has its own vibe, so you have to adapt to that vibe as a performer. And with this, I knew this was a complete opposite vibe from Saki or from a Garmi or from a
Right.
Nachme. They all have their own worlds. So for
Correct.
that, I needed to change my body language. I had to change my aura. I had to change the way I express my face. I had to change the way I look into the camera. The look
Right.
into the camera change also. It took me a long time. I prepped for a while. And I felt a huge burden on me. Like, it's not like I was going into rehearsals and I was prepping
Right.
with choreographer Rajat and Arvinder, the director. I wasn't prepping
Right.
in like a fun way. Yeah, I can't wait to shoot. It's gonna be. I was taking a lot of stress. Like, I was calling them and stressing on the phone, and rehearsals were stressful. I'm gonna be dropping a vlog soon, so you guys can see what it looked like for this song. It was
Whoa.
Maybe,
it was stressful.
you know, maybe you had this intuition that this is really going to break the internet. Maybe people were like, oh.
5 seconds, just know. I understand when a song is composed properly, when it's arranged properly, and when a song is sung through from the soul. And she sung the song from her soul. So I said,
Yeah.
over my body if this song is not a hit.
That is awesome. We
No,
love the song, and
we really want to praise Nora for all the hard work, because you know it looks very simple in the video, but the months of hard work that she has put in.
Yesterday, what happened? She taught me the steps. ना इधर उधर का चल रहा था. So I seen कि कितना tough है मेरे को एक इधर से इधर करने में. It was
बहुत
like
tough है. It is very
बहुत
tough.
tough है.
Also, I think it's
and the
not a
way she
regular,
expresses ना, it's
Correct.
outstanding.
and it's also not a regular dance song. It's a like lot of emotions,
Yes.
and there's
It's
I mean,
actually it's a 4-minute film. It's a 4.5 minutes.
exactly.
Seriously,
So-
so right. It's like a film for me, at least, and the responsibility artist I took upon myself. I was like, yo, this is like as equal as a film for any hero or heroine, because when I hear the lyrics and I hear the how powerful this man wrote the lyrics and the meaning behind what he's trying to convey, and then how she sang it, on top of that, I was like, I need to perform up to that mark. I need that it should be as equal to the audio. The visual should match the audio. And you know, for so many times where, you know, like Rajat is my choreographer, but he's also one of my very good friends, and he
Right.
knew how tough it was for me on set, because I would get so emotional and he would come and see goosebumps on me because they would just press play and her voice
Right.
would come to the speakers and those words, and I'd feel this feeling. And I must say, like 90% of what you saw on screen was not acting, it was real emotion, because I just let
I
myself,
am sure.
yeah, I was just very vulnerable in
Yes.
front of the. This is my true feelings, and I understand what she's singing about, and I understand a lot of people will hear this song and they will really connect emotionally, and it will create an impact. But you know, it's also so crazy because you know, me as a brand, I'm almost like a global kind of brand, because I
Right.
bring all these type of people together in the entertainment world from different types of the world. I'm not Indian, but I live in India and I represent India through music,
Right.
dance, and all that. And you know, when I was listening to this song, I said, yo, like, I was like, mashallah, man, like Indian like Indian artists are so talented, and they're just been gifted by God in ways like, it's just so crazy.
I'm sure. And एक तो we all love the song. We love the entire song. Every single word makes so much sense. But अगर आपको एक line pick करना हो उस गाने में से, which really hit you hard, जो आपको लगा कि this is the soul of the song, ऐसा कोई line है आप सबके लिए?
Me, my opinion, or their opinion?
Yeah.
No,
All
you.
सब लोग.
Honestly, there's a couple of lines, like, you know what hit me hard, the part where she sings जिस दिन आदत बनेंगे उसी दिन ही छोड़ देंगे. That for me
Yes.
hit hard.
What a line that is. बहुत ही
Yeah.
खूबसूरत लिखा है. दूसरा भी line है जो about, you know, मौत का चेहरा दिखा के, that line is so beautiful. आप
मौत से
दोनों का
मिला
favorite
के
line
तुमको
कौन सा है?
जिंदा ही,
Yes.
that is his favorite line.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Is that
you
your
know
favorite line?
that line? I was like, ah!
That's a beautiful line.
Yeah.
Oh
मौत
yes.
से मिला
Also,
के तुमको जिंदा ही छोड़ देंगे.
It's so crazy that people are, picking a few lines and they're putting in their
Yes.
status because each line, is so
Makes-
different
Yeah.
and,
It
very
is.
meaningful
Yeah.
also. So
So
we
all
are,
four of us, हम चारों के लिए एक that one line is very special
Okay.
in the entire song. This is awesome, guys. इस segment का नाम है cheesy fill in the blanks. इस fill in the blanks में basically there are no right or wrong answers. आपको जो fill करना है blank पे आप वो fill कर सकते हो. सचित परंपरा, because आप दोनों की शादी recently हुई है, so we're gonna ask you a couple of questions from here. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है dash.
दीवाना सनम।
अरे ये तो मतलब predictable हो गया. मैं कुछ if you are to say something different.
प्यार होता है सन की सनम।
क्या बात है, क्या लाइन बोला आपने.
you understand Sangeet? Pagal? Yeah.
संकी, yes. कुछ होता है जब dash.
कुछ होता है जब रास्ते पे जा रहे हो वॉशरूम आ जाए।
हे भगवान।
ये जो मतलब हम वैलेंटाइंस डे में बिल्कुल टॉयलेट ह्यूमर लेकर आ चुके हैं। प्यार का पहला कदम डैश होता है।
प्यार का पहला कदम विश्वास होता है।
डीप, इंटेंस। I believe in love at first dash.
Love at first? I don't know. You answer.
I believe in
moments when they get rid of social media and bring landlines in.
we should get this back.
We have so अभी हमें पता चल गया है कि अगर नोरा फतेही को impress करना है हमें, we just need to leave social media. But the problem is we don't know how to DM you and tell you that.
Thank you so much, Nora, for the answer.
No, because and if you really want to see me or talk to me, you will put more effort, nah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, of course. Nora, tell me
Okay.
something. What is the cheesiest pickup line used on you ever?
I think this is so cheesy. Is your dad a terrorist because you're a bomb? I'm like,
old, but never gets very old, but I think classic.
Yeah.
stupid.
And Nora, tell me something apart from your dancing skills, of course. अगर आपको किसी के साथ flirt करना है, so which is your favorite pickup line? Have you ever used a pickup line on somebody?
I think the only time I use the pickup line on somebody is no, I don't think so. I think I just flirt with my eyes. I don't say it. My eyes. It's my aura.
Oh,
Very nice.
Nora
Okay,
with the aura.
Nora, Nora aura. Wow.
Oh my god,
Wow.
that could be the song.
I have a better line now. Acha, before we let you go, we have a quick segment where we talk to one of your fans, one of the biggest fans of MTV Beats. We picked him from the top fans of MTV Beats. His name is Shubham. Shubham, if you're watching this, please send me a request. Like right now, you get this big chance to talk to Sachit Parampara and Nora Fatehi because it is the week of love. And दिल देके देखो, हम आपको एक चांस दे रहे हैं बात करने के लिए आपके फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट के साथ because you are.
और अगर वो नहीं आया
तो अगर नहीं आया तो I am already here. I am the biggest fan already. तो आप मुझसे बात करो. हमने आपको बर्थडे विश कर. Plan B. See guys, this is like the super live interview. Okay, इस लाइव में मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. हम पागल हो सकते हैं. हम लोग मतलब नाचना शुरू कर सकते हैं. गाना तो मतलब हो ही गया ऑलरेडी.
उसका कितनी देर इंतजार कर सकते हैं?
1 मिनट बस.
He wants to know everything. Questions free.
Yeah. Question. Oh yeah, Sachit, are you a question free? आपको सवाल बहुत पसंद है दादा?
हाँ, अगर confusion है तो पूछना पड़ेगा.
Okay, मतलब you're that kind of person जिनको मतलब confusion अगर होता है तो आप सवाल करते हो. That's very nice to know. Just give me 1 second, guys. I am gonna sort this, and if we can quickly get Shubham on the live and get him to talk to both of you, all three of you. That will be awesome.
Mr. Shubham, कहाँ हो तुम?
Nice.
कहाँ?
What is this? Wow.
So trippy.
Let's
Which
go
one?
for it. Oh wait, I've been. Hello, can you guys hear us?
Yes.
Oh,
Is this like?
thing.
ये कहाँ से? Oh, nice.
Oh. Oh yeah, like the blush on me. What's up?
Hey, how did Nora do that? Like I don't know. Like Nora has superpowers. She can do things that nobody else can do clearly.
I just saw some.
And that's not just about dance.
The voice ना ये change हो रहा है.
Oh shit.
No,
wait.
it's not changing.
I'm back,
It's not
I'm
changing. Hi. Oh shit. What is?
Oh my gosh, this is too crazy. This fan is not coming.
Okay, I don't think I'm able to join. I'm able to connect with this guy. I don't think he's lucky enough to talk to you guys today. But जाने से पहले you know, like before, because Valentine's Day is on the car of कौन अब प्यार के बारे में सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं. अगर प्यार के बारे में आप हम सबके लिए कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे, what would you like to say?
Who?
Guys, go first.
Both of you, all three of you, but let's go with the married couple first.
Yeah.
प्यार के बारे में प्यार बहुत सच्चा है और अगर आपको मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है.
Oh, nice.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. We are
And,
the next song is that.
And I feel I'm the luckiest girl because he's my husband now.
Oh, mush. So much much.
Yeah, because he's always there to take care of me because I'm a very anxious person. मैं बहुत गलतियां करती हूँ और मैं बहुत मुझे खुद नहीं पता होता सामने मेरी चीजें सारी सही
बस
होती
हो
हैं.
गई, इतनी तारीफ करने को बोला नहीं गया था.
When I'm thinking Valentine's. So I feel I'm a very lucky person to have him. Yeah, and love is true.
Oh, that's very sweet. And what about you, Nora? आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे love के बारे में?
I like what she said, but I think I would say love is rare. I think love is rare. Find love then with loyalty and honesty.
That's beautiful.
Right.
Loyalty, honesty.
Right?
Beautiful. Yeah, that's amazing.
Love is entertainment.
Love is dancing. Love is dancing to Nora Fatehi songs.
Yes. So be loyal to the Nora Fatehi song.
Yeah.
That's just beautiful, guys. Thank you so much आज हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए, and thank you so much for giving us a song that we are gonna love for the rest of our lives. बहुत ही अच्छा गाना है. Thank you for the song. Thank you for
It's always a pleasure.
I'm sure. Thank you so much.
And even talking to Nora also. I think it's always, मतलब कल से we are doing all the interviews, but जो
Oh, you
मजा
remember this thing you have to do for him?
No, I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything.
Do it. I'm sure you.
I just remember this and छोड़ देंगे.
छोड़ देंगे. What is it? छोड़. दोनों बल्ले ना. दोनों बल्ले. छोड़ देंगे.
It's from Oh my Please.
One thing जो मतलब हम छोड़ना नहीं चाहते हैं इस लाइव को, but हमें छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Lots of love to all.
But next interview.
Until next interview, yes, next interview के टाइम में हम I think we should meet in person because इस बार तो हम virtually बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन next time हम personally meet करेंगे और बहुत सारी मस्ती करेंगे. All right?
So thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. See you. Bye.
Thanks, guys.
Bye,
Thank you.
everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
And